Hey yo, it's Chriso. We're in that real bathroom again. I'm just doing these uprights of the aluminium, trimming it all up nicely. I'm not able to do that head until another couple of hours, but I can get all this done and then I'll do around that door. So we'll just hold it with that tape. Have I got any bits I can use? Yeah, there's a few down there. Okay. So let's mark them all the same. I'll mark one and just try it. Oh mate, bloody beautiful. One, two, three, four. No jutty. What I'm checking for is no jutty out bits. Right, the way I do it, people, is when you've got a little piece like that, you don't do that first. You do your bigger ones and tape them up. And you're laughing. I'll show you. This is better than glue on a painted surface. Put that somewhere where I don't stand on it. I use tape a fair bit on some jobs. holds it there nicely. Where am I? One of those, one of these, throw a clip in, just checking that to make sure my line is right. Hopefully everyone's learning something. But I always have my aluminium out a little. Oh, it might be, oh no. No, we're good to go. We're good to go, Houston. Hold that in place, grab a clip, and we're home and hose. Now I can fit my small piece I bring that down a little, see where I marked that? I bring it down, I could bring it down a little bit more than that even. It's so the aluminium fits in. I'll show you. You see, I brought that down a little. So my aluminium, then you don't want to be right to the top. Leave a little bit of room so your aluminium slips in. And you're laughing. That's good. You always check your miters with that little sucker, with your hand tool, or those 5 of those. Just always check your miter. Now you fit that one. Put on a bit of poop and you're good to go. With a couple of wedges. I haven't had to put slope on the sill because there's no water. No water going to be, but I bet there is a little bit of slope because I can see it. You're just so used to, I'm so used to putting slope on my ledge. It's got some, if I put a little wee level there, it's got slope. Okay, well that's cool. Now you see that? When I now silicone, when I'm doing my finishing touches, you get a beautiful finished job. Okay, I'll zap this next one. I'll come back to you in the next stage when I'm doing that door. It's the same process as this. See you soon, stay tuned. This is Chris O's channel. See ya.